Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to lock cells in Google Sheets so that no one can edit your cells. You can just edit your cells yourself. So this is actually a pretty simple tutorial. So let's go to cell that we want to protect or lock, right? We can go to the cell which is F and then F6, right? So we can right click on it. We can go to view more cell actions. We can go to protect range, and now we can add a sheet or a range, right? So we can add a sheet or a range. We can click on it. Now we can enter the description, for example, locked cell. We can also put a range, right? So we can select a data or range. We can select it, for example, like this, right? And we can click OK. If we want more, if we want just this, which is F6 again, we can go and click OK. So we can click OK on this. We can click on set permissions, and then we can restrict who can edit this range. So only you, right? We can click on only you. This way, only I can edit that range or that particular cell. So we can click done. And right now changes are saved, and as you can see, we lock the cell which is in sheet 1, which is this sheet right here, and F6, which is F number 6 right here, as you can see. So this is pretty much how to lock a cell in Google Sheets.